for the second one, what it's going to be is if the pure expectations theory is correct, what is the yield on 2-year T-bonds 1 year from now? Well, 1 year from now, what is the yield on 2-year T-bonds? So what it's asking is it's asking you to think about a 3-year horizon. It's saying 1 year from now, what yield will we get on a 2-year bond if we bought it 1 year from now? So it's making you think about a 3-year horizon. So what you need to do is you need to, on the left side, go ahead and set the value, the known value for a 3-year horizon. So in this case, it's going to be 1.035, the annual return on a 3-year cubed. That's its compounding. So it's saying on a 3-year bond we get 3.5% a year. That's a compounding rate. So we take it to the power of 3. Set that equal. Now we can set one of our knowns here. We can set the known of the 1-year bonds, 1.014 times that 2-year, 1 plus r squared. Now the way that I think about this is that I have my 3 blocks here. I have 1 here, and I have 1 here. I know these rates, I know this rate, I don't know these rates here. I'm trying to solve for them. So now that we have all this stuff laid out, we can just solve for it algebraically, and it's going to be 1.035 cubed divided by 1.014 is equal to 1 plus r squared. If I 1.035 cubed is equal to 1.1087. Now I'm writing this down like this, but I'm never letting this stuff leave my calculator because I've only got my calculator showing the 4 points, so I'm not sure if things are a little bit further past that. But my calculator right now reads 1.1087. I'm going to go ahead and divide that. I'm going to go ahead and divide that by 1.014, and then now it's reading out 1.0934. And on the other side of the equation, it's still 1 plus r cubed, or to the 1 plus r squared. So I'm going to go ahead and square both sides. So I'm going to take the square root of this, and I get 1.0457. Now I'm going to go ahead and subtract. So I've already done this, right? I've taken this from both sides, and now I'm going to go ahead and subtract 1 from each side, and I'll get r isolated. So I'm going to subtract 1, and I get 0.0457. Now, I missed a few previously because I didn't take things far enough past the decimal point. So right now my calculator has it represented as 0.0457. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to multiply by 100. And now look at it. 4.5663%. I would have got that wrong again. So I'm going to go ahead and put in that value. 4.5663, and then there we go. Now I've only got a minute left, so I'm going to rush through the last one. What is the yield on a 1-year bond 2 years from now? Well, on the left side we're going to do the same thing. 1.035. Oh, got stuff kind of way over here. Cubed is equal to 1.0. Now it's asking about a 1 year. It's asking about a 1-year T-bond 2 years from now. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and put that value for the 2-year, which is 23 squared, right, times an unknown of a 1 year, and that 1 year is going to be 1 plus r, just like that, right? So I have 3 boxes over here. I have 2 right here, and I'm just trying to get in that last one right here, right? It's, oh, sorry, I drew through there. 2 here, right? So 3-year time horizon, 2 years from now, trying to solve that last one. So go ahead and solve for that really quickly. It's going to be, I'm going to do all my solutions out here on this side. 1.035 cubed divided by 1.023 squared is equal to 1 plus r. And what I get is this right here is equal to 1.0594. Sorry. And I'm going to subtract out 1. And then I'm going to multiply by 100. And I get, Jesus, this is hard, 5.9424. All right. Okay. So first one's correct, second one's correct, and third one is correct with all the feedback there for you. So I really hope this helps, and email me with any problems. All right. See you tomorrow.